Hello drivers. Looking for an opportunity to work in Europe? We are hiring trailer drivers for Latvia. To qualify, you must have a heavy license issued before 9 September 2009 with at least 1.5 years of validity. Good English communication is required, and you must have a valid passport with a surname. If you meet these requirements, this is your chance to start a new journey in Europe. Apply now, limited slots available.